So as you can see, I'm always at work, so all my unboxings is gonna be at work, but my package from Saks came. It took mad long. I usually, when I order from Saks, it don't take this long, but come on, let's unbox. So I know it's from Saks. Ew, I don't like this box. So, I tried to be different because I'm not trying to be like everybody else. So, the sneakers I bought, I really didn't see nobody with them. So, I said, let me just grab them. And I've never tried to want to be like nobody else. I feel like they're so cute.